Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4 1500. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks and mirrors. AT4 now on the inside of the door. Memory seating, power locks. Your drivability dial, trailer mode, push by 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side. We have a nice new large engine stop-start, can't miss it now. Over a 13-inch touchscreen with the Google operating system. Apple Carplay and Android Auto still both available. Your automatic shifter knob in the middle with integrated trailer braking system, wireless phone charging. This AT4 has the all-black interior, Bose high-performance audio throughout, and the beautiful leather-heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging on the front door, 6.2 liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. At the front, we have the redesigned front end. We have those beautiful LED daytime running lamps, AT4 branded grille with parking sensors and a camera system, red tow hooks and fog lights. Making our way back down the side, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the AT4, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, parking sensors, LED brake lights, as well as the MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, that leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost. Over top, a black headliner and LED lighting. Single pane sunroof up front. You have your heated seat controls, USB ports, as well as rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.